Hi friends, welcome to Navneet Spice Magic. Today I am going to share one of my best experiments that I have done and created a new sweet dish which has an amazing and mesmerizing taste. The fusion of Desi and Videsi. Gajar halwa or carrot halwa is made by many of us and mango jelly is also prepared by many. So I thought let me combine these two, create a burfi which has a two-tone flavor in one sweet. This is one of my super hit recipe. To know more such amazing and interesting recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit bell icon to get instant notifications. Raise a thumbs up and leave your valuable comments. Let's see the process. The ingredients required are carrot, grated. I have grated it in a thin grater. Milk. This is room temperature milk, boiled and cooled down. Ghee. I have taken condensed milk. It is up to you. If you like, you can take sugar, but I am taking condensed milk. We'll heat a pan and add ghee to this. Let's add grated carrot to this. Fry this till the carrot loses its rawness. Now let's add milk and allow this to cook properly in this milk. So this has to become thick after cooking. For some time it gets thickened. Then we'll add condensed milk into this. First let's allow this to cook properly in this milk. So this is thickened now. It's cooked nicely and completely milk is evaporated in this. Now we'll add condensed milk to this. Check for your sweetness and then add. Mix this properly. Again cook this till it gets thickened. Because this is not halwa which we are going to prepare, so it has to come closer, like it has to become thick so that we can mold it in the form of a burfi. So this is done. Now what we will do is we will transfer this into a greased plate and allow it to set till we prepare our next layer of our variety. You have to set this in this plate. So I have set this. We'll keep it aside till we prepare the next layer for this. Ingredients for our second layer, we are going to prepare a mango jelly. For that we need mango, ripe mango. I've chopped into pieces. We have to make puree out of this. Corn flour. I've taken 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Butter 1 tablespoon. Sugar as per the requirement, because if the mangoes are too sweet, add less sugar. If the mangoes are not too sweet, then you can add little extra sugar, adjust accordingly. We'll grind this and make a puree. This is done. Let's heat a pan in which we are going to prepare this mango jelly. Add this mango puree to this. So let's cook this for a little while. In the meanwhile, in this corn flour, we'll add little water and make it as a paste, like thin, little medium thickness paste. So to this, now we'll add sugar. So it's up to you how much you want to add. Check for the sweetness and then add. We'll cook it for 2 minutes more. Now we'll start adding our corn flour mixture to this to get the jelly consistency and cook it till it gets thickened. So it started to thicken. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of butter to this and mix properly. This is done. Now we'll top this over the carrot halwa which we have set. We are going to spread this over this properly, smoothly and evenly. So this is done. We are going to keep this in the refrigerator for some time. I'm adding few saffron strands over this. This is optional. If you like, you want. If you like, you can add. Otherwise, no. If you like dry fruits also, you can add over this. So we'll just keep it in the refrigerator for around 2 to 3 hours so that it gets firm, and then we can enjoy the sweet. Here is our Desi Videsi culinary delicacy fusion sweet carrot burfi topped with mango jelly, one of my experiment which is successful and super hit. I request you all to prepare this creation and share your valuable feedback. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.